Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the easiest and the fastest way to germinate your Sago Palm seeds. Here I have a rare Thai Silver Sago Palm, and one of the seeds germinated in less than 9 days. So I'm gonna share with you this life hack so you can start using it today, and hopefully it's gonna help you. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Sago Palm seedlings. Just ordered this Cycas seeds. I ordered 7, and as you can see I got 2 more as extra, which is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna take my hammer and break the outer shell of the seed. So there are several hard parts of the seed. I am hitting the hammer on the top and on the hardest part on the side of the seed. And as you can see, I'm rotating the seed while hitting with the hammer. Now I can remove the outer shell, and as you can see, the seed inside is not damaged, and that's exactly what you want to see. Make sure not to slam your hammer too hard, because you don't want to damage your seed. A lighter hammer might work better for this task. I like to listen for crack sounds, and I stop when I can open the outer shell with my fingers. I was able not to damage any seeds from my order. As you can see, I have 6 seeds without an outer shell, and I left 3 with a shell. It's time to plant the seeds. When planting the seeds, just put the seeds on top of the soil. I'm using well-drained soil when planting the seeds. Slightly push the seeds into the soil. The seeds need to be half exposed horizontally. Keep the seeds misted and well watered. They need high humidity and heat. We live in Florida, it's summer right now, and we have a really high humidity, so I'm gonna leave them outside. And I'm gonna take this pot and put it under this bush. So here is a little update on my Cycas Thai Silver. As you can see, once I got some type of fungus on it, so it's bad, and I believe I had one more, so I already got rid of it. I tried to use peroxide on it, but as you can see, it definitely did not work, but we got some movement here. This tiny seed started germinating. So this was my experiment of removing the shell from the seed to avoid a long-term germination, such as from wherever they say 4 to 6 months. And I planted this seed on July 22nd. Right now it's July 31st, and it's been 9 days, and we got first germination right here. This seed is doing fine, this one is doing fine as well, but I'm starting worrying about this one. So I'm gonna remove this one, so it's done completely, and we're gonna be waiting for the rest to germinate. Probably what I'm gonna do right now is open these 3 shells, because as you can see, we got already some results, and I don't want to wait really long time for them to germinate. So here is a really quick update on my little experiment. Here is quick update. Today is August 3rd of 2024 and I have 2 germinated seeds. Today is August 7th of 2024 and I decided to make this update because, as you can see, the seeds look different. The seeds stand almost vertically. I'm gonna remove this seed, and as you can see, it couldn't make it, and it has a fungi, and I don't want this fungi to spread on the healthy seeds. Today is August 14th of 2024 and I have 4 germinated seeds. This is gonna be a last video update. The next video update will be when the first leaves emerge from the seeds. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.